So for this patch, we're using notes mode, and notes mode is available in two different setups. On the left, we have the 5-note keyboard. You can set the pitches, you can add vibrato, you can glissando between the notes. And on the right, we have a 5-step sequence, which we step through with an external gate. And again, we choose the notes. You can add glide between the notes. You can mute and skip steps and so on. So normally you'd be connecting one of these directly to the volt per octave input of your oscillator. But what we want to do here is mix both of their outputs together in this CV mixer before sending them to the volt per octave input. And what this is going to do is give us a 5-step sequence, which is step through with an external sequencer, which I'll play now. And then we're going to use the keyboard on the left to transpose and add vibrato to this sequence. So if I hold a note on the sequencer, it'll stop. And now listen how I transpose. Now the sequencer starts playing again. Change the transposition. And this is a great way to make an impression of a much longer melodic sequence than we're getting currently from this 5-step pattern. So I can linger on a note. Let it go. So we're just, like the other patches, we're just feeling out how we want things to evolve musically. So now I'm going to add some extra triggers to advance the sequencer faster. And try some more of this. So this is a great way to, again, extend what would otherwise be a very repetitive pitch sequence. So it's always interesting to think of this keyboard as essentially just a 5-step offset generator. It doesn't necessarily have to be for pitches. It can be used to control any old parameter. And so by mixing them together, we're able to get them to interact in a way which is performatively quite interesting to use on the fly.